In Taos, New Mexico, a mysterious low-frequency hum has puzzled residents and visitors for decades. Known as the Taos Hum, this phenomenon is described as a persistent, low rumble, often likened to the sound of a distant diesel engine. Interestingly, not everyone can hear it. Estimates suggest that only about 2% of the population is affected. Scientists have proposed various theories, from industrial noise to geological activity, but none have fully explained its origin. Some believe it could be linked to the unique acoustics of the area or even electromagnetic waves. Others think it might stem from psychological factors, as the mind can create sounds in response to environmental stimuli. Despite extensive studies, the Taos Hum remains an enigma, captivating those who experience it and leaving many questions unanswered. Whether it's a natural phenomenon or a collective auditory illusion, the hum continues to echo through the town, a reminder of the mysteries that still exist in our world.